Okay. Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for this chance. Today, I will present about the paper with the title "Solving Black-Scholes Equations Numerically for Barrier Option Pricing Using Adaptive Differential Evolution Neural Network Algorithm." This paper is under supervised by Professor Kunchoro Aji Sidarto and Mrs. Novriana Smarty, PhD. I'm a member of Financial Mathematics Research Group from Institut Teknologi Bandung, Indonesia. Here's the outline of my presentation today. The first is about introduction, and the second one is about the brief overview about the theory in our experiments, and the third one is about the problem and the results of our experiments, and the last one is conclusions. We continue for the first part in this presentation. And for the introduction, we have known that Black-Scholes equations, or also known as Black-Scholes-Meltern equation, is a partial differential equations in calculating financial market options. This Black-Scholes equations was first introduced by Fisher-Blacks and Myers-Scholes in 1973, together with Robert Merton, have revolutionized the equation in financial markets, especially in option pricing. And in equation 1, this is the general equation for the Black-Scholes equations that are usually used in option pricing, and the boundary conditions like in equation 2. And for calculate the payoff for vanilla options, we use the payoff like in equation 3 and 4. And equation 3 is for payoff for European call option, and in equation 4 is usually used for calculate the put options. And we have known that many numerical calculations have been used to solve Black-Scholes equations, especially using finite difference method. But now we will present about an approximate solution to the Black-Scholes equation using the mess-free method, namely the optimization method. Before that, many researchers has do the research about approximate the solution for the Black-Scholes equation. Like Chen et al. Has introduced the approximate solution for Black-Scholes using genetic algorithm. And then Kahn and Smith Miller has also introduced about approximating the Black-Scholes equation using neural network concept. Now in this research, we also use the meta-heuristic algorithm to model the equation for the that we have modeled a Black-Scholes equation into an optimization problems. To change the Black-Scholes equation into an optimization problem, we use a residual method. Then this residual method is solved using meta-heuristic algorithm that is called adaptive differential evolution neural network. And for the brief overview about the theory, I will explain about the trial solution that we use for approximate the solution of the Black-Scholes based on neural network concept, and then about the meta-heuristic algorithm that we use in this paper or in this research. In this research, we use combinations of differential evolution algorithm with neural network algorithm. For the first, about the trial solution that we have used to approximate the Black-Scholes equation based on the neural network concept. For the first, we formulate the trial solution based on the neural network concept, like in equation 5, based on Lagares et al. And x1, x2 is defined for partial differential equation for two variables. And here G is corresponds to the boundary conditions of the differential equations. And for the f, x, and xx of P, it's contain the activation functions like the trigonometric functions, sigmoid functions, and linear function from linear combination of independent variable from partial differential equations. And for the trial solution of the problem of the Black-Scholes equation, we formulate like in equation 6, and here is PX is for the payoff for European co-options, and FZ is for the activation function of neural network that we have used. Next, we continue to explain about the materialistic algorithm that we use in this research. In this research, we use adaptive differential evolution neural network algorithm. Here, we use this algorithm to find the coefficients in equation 6, like to find alpha, mu, omega, and beta. And for coefficient that we have don't know that we want to find from this equation. And here is the algorithm that we use to find the solution for the Maxwell, to approximate the Maxwell equation. For the algorithm 1, we use adaptive DA, adaptive differential neural network. And here is the step of the algorithm, where DA is one of the evolutionary algorithm that is inspired based on a genetic algorithm. And differential evolution is found by Stern and Price in 1995. And this is, we use the updating population and weighted of DE using neural network algorithm. And here is the brand new that we use in this paper. Like for the first, this is the standard DA, the classic, and we do modification in this mutation part, where in mutation part, for find the weighted of the mutation, we use the neural network algorithm. And after mutation, we do crossover part, and then the last one is used, we do selection in the A to find the best solution. And for the next materialistic algorithm we use is neural network algorithm. And here's the algorithm. This is the 3 part that we use in this NN algorithm. This is initialization, population, and the weighted. And then we calculate the fitness function value. And then we update the weighted and the population. After we get the weighted and population, we check the population in the boundary condition. After that, we find the best individual of the population. And this is neural algorithm is the one of the brand new materialistic algorithm that was first introduced by Elissa Doll in 2018. Here, updating the weighted and done when the is also followed by updating the population. And here is the idea of updating new pattern solution from neural network algorithm based on the paper 7 or Elissa Doll papers. And we see from this, we define that the total value of the weighted is must be 1 or equals 1, and its rate is from 1 until the number of populations. And this is if we hybrid it with DA. And for this section, we will explain about the problem and the result of our experiment. For the first, we use simulations for solving to approximate the solution of black holes. Especially in this case, we use European co-option. We use the input parameter the same with the paper 4. We use the strike price is equals 100, and this is the risk-free interest rate is equal at 12%. And for 1 year maturity date of the option contract, with the volatility is 10%, and the stock price is from the 70 until 130. And for the first, we calculate the European co-option without barrier, and then we calculate the European co-option with barrier down with the barrier value is equals 80. After that, we use various measurements like mean absolute error, mean square error, and then mean square relative error in order to do the performance analysis. And here's the results of our experiments. And here we use the population size of 100 and maximum of number of iteration is, in this computation, is 1,000. And we use it, all the computation are running in MATLAB program. With here's the specification of the laptop that we use. And there is the error of the European coefficient using adaptive DE, the adaptive differential evolution neural network is stated in table 1. Here is the 3 types of errors that we have used, that we have calculated in our experiments. And here is the result of mean absolute error for option, European option without barrier. And the second table is the second part of this cell is about with option without barrier down and out option, and option without barrier down and in. And here's the result that we get. We see that mean square relative error for European co-option without barrier is has the mean is like this, and for option without barrier like this line. And for the next, we have draw the surface of black hole. Here the graph of the result with the 5 neurons that we have used, and here is the black hole surface for European co-options. And here's the left side is the exact solution, the surface for exact solution of black hole equation, and the right one is the numerical solution of surface of black hole equation. This is the surface based on the adaptive DE neural network. And in figure 2, we can see that the graph of the exact solution fits well to the numerical solution. Here is the convergence of our algorithm, and this is the surface of the black holes with barrier options. Here, we use barrier down and option for this surface. With the barrier down is equals to 80. And we can see that the surface of exact from the adaptive DE neural network is fits well to the surface of the exact solution. So we can conclude that we can use a neural network concept to build a trial solution of black hole equation, and we can use adaptive differential evolution neural network as an alternative way for solving optimization problem, especially for approximating the black hole solution and black holes that is equipped with the barrier option pricing. And here's the reference that we use in this paper. That's all of my presentation at this time. Thank you very much for your kind attention.